We are going to start with the chain. First, make a slip knot and make 20 chains. One, two. So I have made my 20 chains over here, and now we are going to make a single crochet all the way till our end, starting with the second chain from the hook. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both of the loops. This is called our single crochet. So you have to make the single crochet all the way around like this. So I have completed my line of single crochet, and now I am on the last stitch, and this is I have done the line of single crochet. So after that, what are we going to do is we are going to chain 3, 1, 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to turn our work and make a single crochet into this stitch over here. Let me tell you once again, we are going to make a double crochet in this stitch over here. After making a double crochet, we are going to yarn over, insert the hook in this stitch, yarn over, pull through. Hold these loops on your finger, on your hook, yarn over, again do the same thing and hold these. Again yarn over and hold your loops. Now in total we have 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what we have to do now is we have to draw through all the 6 loops, and we are not going to draw through this last loop. So we have 2 loops left and yarn over. We are going to draw through these 2 loops. What we have to do now? Yarn over, skip this stitch, and into the next stitch we are going to make a double crochet. Let me show you again. Yarn over, so now we have 7 loops on our hook. We have to draw through all the 6 loops, and into the last one we are not going to pull through. So we have to now yarn over, pull through both, yarn over and skip a stitch, and into the next one make a double crochet. A very simple yet beautiful stitch. Again yarn over, yarn over 3 times. Okay, something went wrong. Yeah, now we are going to pull through 6, and into the last one we are not going to pull through. Now yarn over, pull through these 2 loops, yarn over and make a double crochet with skip a stitch and make a double crochet into the next. In this way, complete your work till the end. So I have completed my last stitch, and after that I have made a double crochet, and this is the end of our row. Starting with 3 chains. No, now we are going to start with 1 chain and turn our work, and now again we are going to make a single crochet in all the stitches till the end of our round. Means a line of single crochet that we did in our first row. So I have completed my round of my line of single crochet, and we are going to do the last single crochet in top of our chain 3. Okay, so into the third chain we are going to do our last single crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work, and now what we are going to do, we are going to make a skip a stitch. No, we are not going to skip a stitch. We are going to make a double crochet into our next stitch, and now we are going to start the stitch. So yarn over, collect 2 loops, yarn over, and again yarn over and collect the loops. So now we have total 7 loops, and we are going to draw through 6 loops and not into the last one. Yarn over, pull through both of the loops. Now yarn over, skip a stitch over here and make a double crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over 2 times, yarn over 3 times. So we have total 7 loops, and draw through the 6 loops and yarn over, skip this stitch and make a double crochet. In this way you are going to continue till the end of your round, and it will look something like this. So I have made the last stitch of my design, and now we have 2 stitches left, and into this stitch I am going to make a double crochet, and our row is completed, as you can see over here. Now again we are going to make a line of single crochet, and this will give its final look. Let me make the single crochet line and show you the final results. Till then, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and this video, if you found it useful and you think that it's one of the good beautiful stitch, please give this video a thumbs up. You can also suggest me if you want that which video shall I make or what tutorials you want me to make. So I will really be happy to see your comments. And one more thing I would like to say, that we will soon be reaching to 4,000 subscribers. We will be the family of 4,000 subscribers. And I would like to say thank you so much to all of you, because without you all it won't be this much. Really, I am so thankful from bottom of my heart. So see, here I am on to my last stitch of making single crochet, and that's it. Again we are going to chain 3, turn our work and continue as doing it. So see, this is something it looks like. This stitch looks like this. and this is called a bead stitch, and I hope you found it useful. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.